Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through setting up and using the MiCard app. Start by opening the App Store and searching for MiCard app. Download the app. Once installed, open it to begin building your MiCard account. Tap Create Account to sign up. If someone referred you, enter their MyLink. Confirm the referral or click No if you weren't referred. Complete the sign-up form with your personal information, including first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password. Next, it's time to choose your MyLink. Your MyLink is your personal referral code that can track any incentives that you earn when you share your MiCard. Congratulations on signing up. Now, let's set up your profile. Begin by adding your job title, company name, and personal contact information. The contact information you share here will be public, so be sure to enter a good phone number and email address so people can reach you. If you would prefer to have people contact you using a different email address than the one you signed up with, you'll enter that here. If you would like to add a website, enter the full URL here, starting with HTTPS. Now let's add your company address. Follow the steps to set up your company address. If at any point during the setup process you don't have the information you need, you can click Continue to go on to the next step of the setup process, or click Finish later to go straight to your MiCard dashboard. For your company's address, add a location URL by searching the address on Google Maps and copying the URL. This will make it easy for people to locate your business. Next, upload your company logo. Use a transparent background for best results. For contrast, use a light-colored logo on a dark cover photo or a dark logo on a light cover photo to ensure it stands out. Next, upload a high-quality cover photo. You can choose from your library, take a new photo, or upload a file. This photo can be updated anytime. Congratulations on taking the first step in setting up your MiCard. Now let's explore the MiCard Quick Share intro screen. This feature is designed to make sharing effortless. As soon as you open the app, all your sharing options are right at your fingertips. Simply swipe left or right to select the QR code you want to share, whether it's your MiCard, a product link, or the revenue sharing opportunity if you're enrolled. It's that easy. Now, tap the edit icon in the top right corner to access your content dashboard. Your MiCard includes an About Me section where you can share information about yourself or your services, helping others get to know you better. To set up your About Me section, tap the pencil icon to the right of About Me. Here, you can add your name, title, company, photo, and bio to help followers learn more about you. You can even include multiple paragraphs and headings to create a more engaging and detailed profile. Start with a title for your paragraph to give readers a quick overview. In the paragraph content, add your bio, make it unique, and showcase what makes you a great connection. Show readers why they'll want to network with you. After completing the About Me section, click the green save icon at the bottom right. This will save all your changes. You can add your personal calendar links for appointments. Just tap the pencil next to Calendar. Add a title, description, and the link to your personal calendar page for easy scheduling. For social media links, click the pencil next to Social and select Add Social. Choose a platform, enter the URL, and save. You can add as many social links as you want. For custom links, tap the pencil next to Custom Links. Click Add Custom Link, then enter a title, description text, and destination URL. Then click Save. To customize your MiCard's look, tap Appearance. You can choose a light or dark theme, select your own accent color for your Save Contact button, and set your photo style to be full or wide. To change content section headings or their order, tap Manage Content. Edit any section heading by clicking the pencil icon. You can also rearrange features on your MiCard. To organize your content sections, simply drag them to put them in your preferred order. To preview your MiCard, click the Preview button at the top right of the screen and see the public view of your card when you share it. Now let's start sharing your MiCard. Tap the Share icon in the bottom menu. The first step before sharing your card is to customize your personal preview content. Do this by tapping the three dots in the top right of the share screen. Here, you can upload your logo for your QR code. Next, add your sharing preview image. Then customize the title and the description shown when you share your link. Once your preview is customized, start sharing. The first option is the copy button. This copies your MiCard URL to your clipboard, which you can then paste anywhere, like social media, in a text message or email. For text sharing, click Text, create a custom message template. Save it, then click Send to share with your contacts. You can create multiple templates to personalize your messages. You can also share your MiCard via email or QR code. The QR code is a great tool for sharing your MiCard and for sharing the product. Start networking smarter and using your MiCard today. MiCard. Network smarter.